Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Anurag Jha. Today I will discuss about FMEA latest edition. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Quality is everything in my channel and please watch and share my full video. Today my session is basically based on FMEA failure mode effect analysis. Today I will discuss about what is FMEA and also discuss about the latest FMEA step. Now let's start. What is FMEA? FMEA is the step-by-step approach for identification and analysis of all possible failure in a design, in a manufacturing process or product. Now, before this latest edition, we have followed AIAG 4th edition. On the 4th edition, that time we have followed the RPN, risk priority number. Now, this latest edition, the AIAG Automotive Industry Group and VDA German Association of Automotive Group combined each other and have come on the same platform and give the latest edition. That's why this edition is the first edition. So now we have to discuss about why this edition is needed. Now before the 4th edition, that time the RPN risk priority number is the multiplication of three things: severity, occurrence and detection. That time that is very difficult for the analysis of final RPN. If the same RPN number, that is very difficulty for the finding the where we have to take action. For example, in the 4th edition, we have two cases, case 1 and case 2, where the severity is 8, occurrence 6 and detection is T, and second case the occurrence in 6, severity 6, occurrence 2 and detection is 8. That time both cases the RPN is 96. On this basis, that is very difficult to identify where you have to take action, because in both cases your RPN is the same but severity is different. So that is very difficult for analysis for where we have to take the action. Now this latest edition, the RPN is changing in the form of AP. That is called action priority number. On this latest edition, on the AP, if the two cases you have found the same AP in this latest edition, this latest edition told us we have to work on, you have to take action where you have to severity is higher. So in these cases, if the severity is 8, you need to focus on this RPN, on this AP. And this is the benefit of this latest edition. Now we have to discuss about the FMEA 7 step. That is very important. Why 7 step is needed? So, and is the easily way we have to discuss about how to remember the 7 step. For example, I have written one sentence, mention that Peter shall fulfill the review of requirements. So in this on this way we have to easily we remember the 7 step of latest edition. P is the denote the preparation. P denoted the preparation and planning, and shall define the structure analysis, and full means define here the function analysis, and the field defined the failure analysis, and review defined the risk analysis. O defined the optimization, R is the result and documentation. That is the all 7 steps. First is the preparation and planning. That is the first step. Structure analysis is the second step. Function analysis is the third step. Failure analysis is the fourth step. Risk analysis is the fifth step of latest edition. And optimization the sixth step. And result and documentation seventh step. So this is the seventh step of the latest FMEA edition. On the base of this FMEA, we have to easily find the possible failure, and we have to easily identification, easily you have to action, and you make the action plan for reduction of risk on this way. So I think this video is very helpful for you. My next video will be make on the describe everything and how to fill up the 7-step format in latest edition and with example. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you and good luck.